We're 5 days after our initial pour of Raptor and Alpha. Poured them in cups, and I also have a tray that does our sample sizes. So we'll take a look at all of these. What we have in the cup seems to be that the Raptor, it did have a lot of expansion, but it has shrunk significantly. But I can literally dump it out of the cup. It's a pretty squishy sample, not solid at all. It's got a lot of air pockets in it, and real squishy. But you know, let's check out Alpha. Alpha seems to be a solid piece. Hard, firm, not squishy at all. Literally the same size of the cup, so nothing that we would say is shrinking in regards to the liner when it comes to that. We can also take a look at our sample sizes in our sample tray, so we can see what those look like in a close-up manner. To the sample tray, we can see Raptor has a massive amount of shrinkage, and it's already pulled itself out of the sample tray. So that's what we have here. I can take this sample, I can bend it, and it will split down the center. And then I can easily tear it. I can take our samples, pull it out of the sample tray, bend it, not splitting at all. Matter of fact, I can't even tear it. No matter what I do as far as the force goes, can't tear it or mar it. Looky there, cut like butter, but look at all of these holes in there, and it's falling apart. Look at that, falling apart. Not so tough, huh? Now let's try the Alpha. Looks like a solid piece of material. No holes, no dusting out, nothing. There you have it. Our test is complete. The poured sample that we cut on the bandsaw from Raptor, we see it's inferior. The so-called King of Tough is not so tough. And the sample that we poured with Alpha Liner, the Alpha and protective coatings, is extremely tough. Can't even squeeze it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share it. And also make sure that you go to DIYBedliner.com for more information.